Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into the Xbox One with the exact Xbox Live account you used on your Xbox 360. This preserves your profile and legacy pictures. Once signed in, make sure the Xbox 360 gamer picture file is accessible, either uploaded to OneDrive or copied to a USB drive. Now open the guide, go to My Profile, and select Customize Profile to start. This step connects your account and local media, so you can pick the right image without recreating files. Once in Customize Profile, select Change Gamerpic to reveal options. Pick a legacy Xbox 360 image if it appears, or choose Select a custom image to use your saved file. If your image is on OneDrive, open the OneDrive picker under Photos and choose the file. If it's on USB, insert the drive and browse to that folder. After selecting the image, crop and position it so the face or logo is centered. Make sure you're happy with framing before you save. Confirm save to apply the new Gamerpic, and give Xbox Live a few moments to propagate the update to your account. If the Xbox 360 picture doesn't appear, make sure the file format is compatible, use PNG or JPEG, and upload it to OneDrive so the console can access it reliably. Sometimes legacy images don't migrate automatically. If you still see the old picture, sign out and back in or restart the console. That forces a profile sync and typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.